Hello and welcome back to Steven with Steve. Today we're going to keep going on with our homework. We're going to substitute in some positive values with our Dr. Frost homework. So let's jump on in. These are the style questions that you'll be getting, and here we go. So here's the book. Let's start with the normal thing that we do. So we're going to be doing Dr. Frost. And today this is number 4. Substitute values. Highlight that, making your teacher's life 10 times better because then you can see where your homework's at. Let's jump on in. So question 1. Calculate 3z when z equals 2. So we're going to go 3 lots of 2, which then equals 6. Question 2 is you have 5 lots plus of 7, which then equals 12. Question 3, we're going to go 21 divided by 7, which then equals 3. Question 4, so we have 18 divided by 6 plus 7, which equals 3 plus 7, which equals 10. Number 5, so we're going to go 4 divided by 1, just equals 4. Question 6, so we have 6 squared, which then equals 36. Question 7, we're subbing in x is equal to 6 and z is equal to 4. So the full equation was y is equal to 2 lots of 6 plus 4. So that equals 12 plus 4, which then equals 16. Question number 8. So we have 18 divided by -6 plus 7. So that equals -3 plus 7, which then equals 4. Here, use the ruler, and then we draw a line. Right, question 9. So we've got y is equal to 2 lots and x was 8. Oh, hang on, this is a bit trickier. Sorry, we've got y is equal to 8. So we've got 8 is equal to 2 lots of x minus 5. So we substituted that in this time. So then to balance this, we add 5 to this side, add 5 to this side, and we get 13 equals 2x. Divide this side by 2. Divide this side by 2. X equals 7.5. 10. 12 divided by 3, which then just equals 4. 11. Work out the value of p when a equals 32 and q equals 7. So again, we just substitute it in. So we go 32 is equal to 2p, and then 3q. So plus 3 lots of 7. So 32 equals 2p plus 21. Take away 21 from this side. 21 from this side, so then we get 2p equals, what's that, 11. Then divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2, p equals 5.5. Question 12, evaluate. So we're going to go 2.2 times 5 plus 3 divided by 7. So I'm going to cheat here just to prove it. So 2.2 times 5 gives you 12.5 plus 3 over 7. And I'm just going to jam that in the calculator. So plus 3 equals that, divided by 7 equals that. I'm just going to go to 1 decimal place. So that gives 2.2. 13. So we've got 8 squared. So then just equals 64. 14, so then we've got 24 divided by 6, which equals 4. 15, got 5 lots of 6 plus 18, which equals 30 plus 18, which then equals 48. 16, we have 15 divided by 5 plus 12, which equals 3 plus 12, which equals 15. 17, so we're going to substitute in z equals 15. It's kind of cool. So then we've got 15 divided by 5 minus 4, which equals 3 minus 4, which then equals -1. 18, 3 lots of 1 plus 17, which equals 3 plus 17, which then equals 20. 19, so we've got 6 times 5 minus 18. So notice that that's the same as timesing. So that then gives us 30 minus 18, which then equals 12. And come across here, draw a line straight through. We're up to 20. Question 20, we've got 25 divided by 5 plus 7, which then equals 5 plus 7, which then equals 12. 21, we've got 10 divided by 2 plus 19, then gives us 5 plus 19, which then equals 24. 22, it's a little bit funkier. So we have cost of a bouncy castle is cost of hire, number of days times £55 plus delivery fee. Hires accounts the bouncy castle for $7 plus $20. So they get charged $55 every day. So the cost is equal to the number of days. So that's going to be 7 times the £55. And then the delivery fee was 20. So you add on 20. Just grab a calculator. 7 times 55, and then plus 20, 405. 23, so this one's a little bit funky as well. Total charges equal $30 plus $8 each day. Hired concrete mixer, the total charge was 110. Work out how many days for when the concrete mixer worked. So you got charged 110, so this is again a reverse one. So you got 110 is equal to cost, and then that's equal to 8 times the days plus 30. So then we take away 30 from this side, take away 30 from this side, and we're left with, I'll take the variable on this side, so then 8d is equal to 80. Then divide this by 8, divide this by 8, d equals 10. So therefore, 10 days. Because that's a bit more of a problem-solving-ish style question, I like highlighting that. And lucky last, 24. P and Q are whole numbers. P is 150 greater than Q. Calculate the numbers for P and Q. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is a really tricky one. So we're going to go P plus Q is equal to 1,000. P is equal to Q plus 150. So hopefully you've seen that equation there. So P is 150 greater than Q, but we know P plus Q equals that. So if P is equal to all that, we can jam that into what a P is. So we're going to go P plus 150, sorry, Q, because that's what this is equal to, plus 150 plus a Q equals 1,000, and then we can group things together. So we've got 2Q plus 150 equals 1,000. Take away 150, take away 150. So now we're left with 2Q equals 850. Divide this up by 2, divide this up by Q, 2, sorry, and then Q equals 425. Yeah, and then we can go back to P and solve it. So then P plus 425 equals 1000, because we substitute that back in. Take away 425, take away 425. P equals 575. And then you can look at those two values here, because that's what the problem solving question is asking. They are 150 greater. So P is 150 greater than Q. Yes, that's correct. And P plus Q still equals 1000, which is pretty cool.